Hello, welcome to the Long Island Weather Update. I am sorry we got late tonight. I took a nap. I did go to the Pine Barrens today, but I didn't take a video. It's March 18th, 2024. Yeah, we did have some clouds around. We had some sun mixed with some clouds, some high clouds, some mid-level clouds, and some low-level clouds too. And high pressure building into our area, and the temperatures are dropping tonight. We'll first show you what it looked like outside today, and let's see where we start. This morning we had a lot of clouds around, and then things kind of improved as we got toward the later in the morning. You could see still some cirrus around, but there are the pines for you. And then the cirrus kind of, whoa, not doing that. This is what happens when you're tired. So see here, there's some more of that cirrus again that we had in the sky today. And then we cleared out a little more, so we had a little more sun. Yes, I was at Brookhaven State Park again, and it's a nice blue skies in at times. So we had those shapes, huh? But then the clouds. Then we had this stratocumulus deck that popped up later on, so you could see the stratocumulus deck popping up, and toward the evening we had some altocumulus mixing with the cumulus there, which is kind of interesting there. And just the last picture show you, where is it? We can do this. It's fine. Yeah, let's do this. There we go. So there's the last picture we have for you there. Just interesting sky there. Again, altocumulus, maybe a little circumulus in there, stratocumulus. It was not a bad looking sky. Though there was some scattered jet chunk. It wasn't too bad. I know I'm spending way too much time on the sky. Let's talk about our climate statistics for the day at Islip. The high was 50, the low was 43. The high was 2 degrees above normal. The low of 43 was 11 degrees above normal, which puts us 7 degrees above normal for the day. Central Park got up to 51, a low of 43. They were 4 degrees above normal today, so still above normal today. But we are going to be dropping, and we are already. So Islip is down to 39 degrees right now. And you see that northwest wind there as the colder air builds into the area. So let's take you through the next day on the HRRR. And you can see it does have some instability, snow showers inland. And then we have an interesting little disturbance that comes through, I think, overnight into tomorrow night into Wednesday. It brings some, maybe a little light. maybe we'll see a flurry. I don't think we'll see much from it. And then we'll see on Wednesday, we could see the chance of some pop-up, maybe a little scattered pop-up activity. This is just instability, but you see this low here. That means we have instability. We have a cyclonic flow. So that is why, even though we have that high pressure off to the west, we're still in the cyclonic flow, so we're going to be dealing with some of that. So let's look at some soundings for tomorrow on the HRRR. And, yeah, they're pretty close to each other, so probably going to be a lot of clouds around tomorrow. Or probably have a lot of pop-up clouds, probably. See these lines? In the morning, there'll be sun, and then, you have what you call self-destructive sunshine because it destabilizes the atmosphere. So the clouds kind of build later on. So this is the HRRR, though. Every model is different, as you'll see. Looking at your dew points and wind flow, staying with the northwest flow tomorrow. Maybe toward the afternoon, it becomes a little more westerly. Other than that, it's pretty decent. And you know what? I forgot to put the highs on the map. My mistake. I'm tired. Like I said, I'm tired. Forgive me. So here's your highs. Around 50 on Long Island. Out east on the Twin Forks. Upper 40s. In New Jersey. Of course, a little warmer in New Jersey with low 50s. Looking at the lows, I don't think anyone had any radiational cooling. We got upper 30s generally in much of the area. All right, so do apologize for forgetting about that. But again, I'm tired. So let's look at the temperatures. Tomorrow will be cooler than today. Tonight we're going to go downtown, get down to around the freezing mark. And tomorrow, highs are only going to be in the upper 40s. That's going to be it, mid to upper 40s. So cooler than today, and we'll finally have a day that's going to be near normal as far as the temperatures go. So let's look at some cloud models because, again, all the models are kind of different with this. The RGEM is obviously a little bit better looking than some of the other models. So the RGEM basically has us mostly sunny until around 1, 2 o'clock, and then it has some more of these clouds coming in. So every model is going to be different with the cloud cover for tomorrow. Wednesday, we're going to have, I think, more in the way of cloud cover, but it does the same thing on Wednesday. Has it mostly sunny, and then again, as you get that self-destructive sunshine, you see more of that stratocumulus pop up. And so the RGM may be a little overly optimistic for tomorrow. The HRRR is being a little more pessimistic. The HRRR overdid the cloud cover today a little bit, so I'm thinking that we should see more sunshine in the morning. We can look at the FV3, 0Z FV3, and you can see it starts off fairly clear in the morning, and then as you get toward 1, 2 o'clock, that's when the clouds start building in. Lastly, I'll look at the NAM. And NAM also shows the same thing. So mostly sunny in the morning, perhaps, and then more clouds as we get toward later in the day. And then for Wednesday, it's showing, again, same deal. Morning, mostly sunny, and then more clouds toward the afternoon. But again, that's Wednesday, and we'll talk more about Wednesday tomorrow night. But with that, I'm going to wrap up this Long Island weather update because I'm tired. I may not sound tired, but I am tired. So have a good night.